Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Meghalaya Power Civil Engineer Association haga arpun riu tarik urisau arjar khat kendai kala penlong ya ke Jingïa Kynduh lang ka ba Nyngkong ha Pinewood Hotel Shillong. Asdang ya kene ke Jingïa Kynduh lang daki program beper nadu ka performance step kata haga open session lawani shimenta dagi engineer na keleng gejela haga ba uba EW Nongrum chairman kam managing director jongka MEECL ulalong ukongsan bat uba M Shampliang director generation MEPGCL ulalong usembut kongsan. Haba keren hakani kasngi ukongsan ulapan pau baka seng ka don kam ban tray shitom ban kentiu ya ka company boarding ka babiang wat labun ki Jingïa ki baya Kynduh nrei ka thong ka long ban kentiu shu ya ka jingpen boarding wala ka jela ka lakiu haba ya nujor bat ki por ki bakham menshwa.
MPCEA perhaps has created history on this day, as all the members of MPCEA are no longer be the members of MEEA, which exists for so many decades. In general, formation of any association cannot happen in any civilized society unless there is specific core issue that needs to be addressed. Perhaps there are several core issues related to the interests of our brothers and sisters civil engineers, where MEEA, their parental body, may perhaps overlook on some of the issues concerning our civil engineers that led to this newly association. However, there is always merits and demerits in any association, especially when there are large numbers. It is a challenging task for the office of any association to look into each and every issue, especially on issues related to common interests and at micro levels. This first conference is a historic occasion and marks the realization of dreams, commitments, innovation, and hard work of the founding members of this association. We must all be grateful to them for their contribution. Therefore, I am very optimistic that MPCEA would brace themselves to meet these challenges as they journey forward towards better contribution with respect to all the mandates of development activities that have been entrusted by the management for the benefits of all the members, and of course, priority would be the common developments of the corporation as a whole. I want you to remember that performance leads to recognition. Recognition leads to respect, and respect leads to power. Therefore, my friends, there is only one way to make MEPGCL a powerful corporation. That is through performance. Aspirational performance requires that you create aspirational targets and work hard, fast, smart, honest, and in a disciplined manner over a period of time to achieve the targets and milestones.
At present, this is the youngest association because we are having besides MECL Engineers Association, and we also have the Association of Power Engineers, and also we have the Accounts Association besides the unions. So the idea of forming this MPCEA, I completely agree. So I also, at the time when I used to encourage this, some of the members who are here and are holding the post of the president, vice president, and other AC members. So then again it became a reality now. The history, I mean, there was already been read out by Engineer Ishalom and also our president, how it started, how they have started this MPCEA. Well, going back to what we are really talking about our organization, Because again the time even before we formed this NPCA, in fact there was a discussion with the members of the other association as well. Because some members from other associations maybe they have a wrong idea why you want to break away from this MEA. But again, I just happened to be there also to get all the clarification. In fact, there is no other motives, but they want to make a service life, and they want to concentrate on whatever the civil engineers do. That is the motive. So, again, all of us know that if we really have the organizing association like NPCA, maybe we'll have a better future. The speedy implementation of the projects, because we have seen in hydro projects, as we are 100% hydro, in anything 70% or 65 to 70% most of the jobs are from the civil engineering side. Because civil engineers they started right from the time of survey and investigation, DPR preparation, etc. etc. So this thing which you said that now after we have formed this MPCA, we expect that the side of the civil engineering part will be implemented in a faster way.
Looking outward to the world, there's a neediness for change. Looking outward to the world, there is a hope for happiness. So we create, generate, and perpetrate for the betterment of the nation. We dare to dream, we dare to share together for MPCA. We dare to dream, we dare